Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ClaireFendy. If you guys are new here, welcome. I'm going to show you guys how to get your lashes to look like this. But first, this is me with no lashes, y'all. I look so bald. Like, y'all, I'm just sick and tired of going to school and not having my lashes done, putting on individuals. It's getting annoying. But I'm going to do my left eye off camera and I'm going to show you guys what it looked like. So boom, this is what it looks like. I did a good job. I made sure that I tried it on first before I can tell you guys how I got it. But I'm going to be using 18 millimeters on the end, 17 millimeters in the middle, and 16 in the front. So stay tuned. I'm gonna leave a link with everything that I use down below. So yeah, so let's just get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my 18 millimeter lashes. Like I said, the link will be down below, so make sure you guys are, so I'm going to use 2 rows of this, and I'm going to go ahead and brush my lashes first because I want my lashes to, to be brushed out, to look smooth, to get any residue off of them if I have some, just so they can be great. I'm going to go ahead and get some tape, and the tape is just going to let me lift the eyelids up. I wear contacts, you guys, so I kind of don't recommend it to be that up because I have to keep blinking because my contacts will dry up. But I'm going to just tape it just so I can get a better view. So the glue I'll be using is called Lash Glue. You could get this from Amazon. You guys, do not use the professional glue. Trust me, I had a bad experience. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know this. But I'm just going to add about 4 drops into this container, and I'm just going to start doing my lashes. I'm going to go in from the bottom, and I'm just going to place it right there. I hope you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom in so you guys can see it better. So I'm just going to take the lash and place it and go in an upward motion so it can be placed with my real lashes. And after I do that, I release and then I push it back so it can get in with my lashes. So I'm just going to keep doing this. Keep on watching, you guys. You just got to watch it to see. You just got to see it. So yeah. I'm going to get my fan and I'm just going to let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to start placing the lashes on top of the lash. The angle of the camera did not get this well, so you guys really can't see what I'm doing. I really apologize for that. But basically, I'm just going to put it in on top. If you guys keep watching at the end of the video, when I start doing the front, you are going to have a better view because it's in the front of my lashes. Moving forward to the 17 millimeters, this is going to be in the middle. So I'm just going to do the same thing and just get the tape and tape my eyelids back so I can have like a better view when I'm doing it. Okay, so I used 2 rows of this, by the way, so we could get done. So 2 rows of the 18, 2 rows of the 17. Now for the front, I'm going to use 16 millimeters. Like I said, I'm going to add some on the top also. You guys are going to see a better view. I'm going to do it in slow motion once I get to it. But ideally, I'm only going to use 1 row for the 60 millimeters because you don't want the front of your eyes to be super full. Like, I know I don't. So, but if you do, go right ahead and use 2 rows. And after I'm done with the 16, I like to also go in with the leftovers and just, you know, place a little bit in between the gap. I'm going to get this little clamp tweezers and I'm just going to put them together so the glue can literally like stick. And then I'm going to get my little fan and I'm just going to let it dry. Okay, this concludes the video. It was really short. I hope you guys learned a lot from this and start doing your own lashes. Like, y'all are paying way too much to get these lashes done, and this only cost me about like $10 for each pack, so $30. So I saved a lot of money and they look great. Like, they look full. I'll leave a link with everything down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, babies. Mwah.